ho ho ho. March winds blow as spring draws near. Kites fly high, the sky is clear. April ho 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 ho. April showers make flowers bloom. Colorful petals chase away gloom. May ho 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 ho. May brings warmth and sunny days. Children outside laughing and plays. June ho 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 ho. June arrives with summer's heat. Ice cream cones are such a treat. July ho 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 ho. July fireworks light up the night. Picnics and fun, oh what a sight. August ho 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 ho. August beach trips, sand and sea. Building castles, you and me. September ho 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 ho. September leaves start to turn. Back to school, so much to learn. October ho 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 ho. October pumpkins orange and round. Costumes and candy all around. November ho 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 ho. November brings a time to share. Grateful hearts and food to spare. December ho 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 ho. December ends our yearly song. Gifts and joy all month long. Months of the year ho 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 ho. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December.
Doodle Bees. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.